Hello, it's day 23, and the topic is moments. Moments. I think life is a sequence of moments, but it's not an infinite sequence, right? There's a beginning, there will be an end. So enjoy the moment. Try to live in the moment. When I'm talking to Jim, my camera, this is a moment, and I need to try to take full advantage of this moment. But when I'm working and I'm making art and building something, I try to focus on that moment. When I'm with my friends and family and loved ones, I try to focus on that moment. And it's easy to be distracted, right? We are full of, there's distractions everywhere. But try to be present and in the moment. So if you want to build something, focus on the building, the process. Don't worry too much about the future stuff or will it be liked or accepted, or just focus on the moment. Do the best you can do in the moment. Put it out. If you get a response that is favorable or not favorable, you're like, I'm still glad I made the thing. Be in the moment. Enjoy it. It's a process. It's fun. And so finally, I like to say that, your time is now. Your moment is now. Enjoy it. Life is to be enjoyed. Take all of it in. Feel it deeply. That was day 23. Moments. We got a little odd or maybe deep. I don't know. But I'll see you on the next one. Bye.